In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add filament in Orca Slicer. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over or open up Orca Slicer. That's step number 1. And for the second, you want to make sure that you are inside the Preparer category. From here, just navigate through your filaments, and then you want to click on the Set Filaments to Use button, and basically another window will show up. Now, in some cases, you want to click on the settings icon, but in my case right here, you can just click on the plus icon, so it will open up the settings right here. Now inside this window, just click the custom filaments option, and then you want to click create new. It will then ask you to enter your vendor. If you cannot see it, just click on the can't find the vendor that you want. So in my case, I'm going to put something like the Azure film right here. For the type, let's go ahead and put something like PLA. And the serial, you then want to put anything you want to. So in my case, I'm just going to put basic matte black. From there, you then want to select your filament presets. So I'm just going to copy the current filament preset right here, but if you want to, you can then create a new one, and from there you can simply click on the create button. And then lastly, you also want to make sure to choose your printer. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.